Good job. Whoops. Here. Put the ball in. Whoops. Whoops. Are you losing patience? Huh? Can you try it? Here's the ball. Oh. Almost. She's like, I'll do it so you can do it. Here, take the ball. You do it. Yay! You gotta flip it over though. Oh.